Where's Evan? Where's Evan? I got you! I got you! Where's Evan? Where's Evan? I don't see him. I got you! I got you! Woo! I got you! I got you! I got you! Oh, they checked your hiding place. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Evan. Sweetie, can I have a kiss? Where's the pouty face? Give me grandma pouty face. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I got you. 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 I got you.
No, she said that she gets.
Hello.
Hello. She says that she gets
Hello.
swollen when she sits down too much.
Oh.
So she
I
said
got
that
you.
until she actually feels better because
Evan.
it helps her.
Give me a pouty face.
Say what?
Where's your pouty face to grandma?
Yeah. Well, that's
The pouty face.
weather. It was actually freezing, not
A pouty
hot.
face to grandma. No?
Yesterday and today is when it started to get very hot.
Sweet boy. Can you give me a pouty
She
face?
was looking good. She's just kind of like,
No.
please.
A pouty face, please.
But anytime now, I mean,
No.
she's a kitty's like us. She's not gonna last.
Well, she was a few days early.
Bye. Arr.
I think each baby often comes a little bit early.
Bye, Evan.
Yeah,